gonna lift up the top card. This is your card, remember this card.
Stop.
Right there where you said stop was where your card was. I'm learning more stuff. It's basically like magic because like you start off here and then at some point when you don't expect it, you'll get to another level.
Where did I get mine? Where did I get mine? Okay.
It's constantly something going on, always busy, always noise.
I want to play with the pig one.
Any mom who is raising their kids alone is worried that their kids are gonna fall behind or not have enough of something to reach where they should in life as they grow.
There was like some things actually like in 3rd grade that I went back and relearned, and it actually helped me a lot in the 6th grade.
One thing that really helped me is where if you can't get it, you can get a hint or watch the videos.
When he's using the Khan Academy, he tells me that he gets to watch his progress. So he gets to see each step that he takes, how far he's getting in it, and that makes him motivated to keep going and to get to the next level. And it's like instant gratification for him.
That was the second one.
Him taking control of his learning and just seeing his success, it gives him his own boost of confidence, not just in the classroom, but at home. I'm extremely proud just seeing the little person he's growing into, and the pride he has in himself always makes me feel good because then I feel like I'm doing something right as a parent.
I really like helping a lot. Besides math and learning and all that, that's like one of my favorite things to do.